In this video, we listed the 5 best trail camera on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. LS Vision Solar Trail Camera. The LS Vision LS HM1 is a cutting-edge solar-powered hunting camera designed for outdoor use, featuring a 3.6mm lens and a 90 degrees viewing angle. It operates on a 4G LTE network, eliminating the need for Wi-Fi, and supports both iOS and Android mobile systems through the YNFECN app for remote viewing and playback. The camera boasts a rapid 0.2-second trigger speed, ensuring swift detection of animals and humans while minimizing false alarms. It captures high-quality images at 14MP and videos at 2K resolution, even in low-light conditions, thanks to its infrared night vision capabilities. Equipped with a built-in 7,800 mAh battery and a 4-watt solar panel, this device offers limitless battery life, making it ideal for extended outdoor use. Additional features include two-way audio communication, PIR motion detection, cloud and TF card storage options, up to 128 GB, and a durable IP66 waterproof rating, ensuring reliable performance in various weather conditions. The LS HM1 also supports multi-user sharing, allowing multiple users to access the camera feed simultaneously. Number 2. SHIWOJIA Solar Security Camera. The SHIWOJIA 515C Camouflage Color Solar Battery PTZ camera is a versatile surveillance solution featuring a built-in 5,200 mAh lithium battery and a 3W monocrystalline silicon solar panel for uninterrupted power. It supports both 4G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling seamless integration with Android and iOS systems via the U-Box app. The camera boasts impressive specifications, including a 3.6mm focal length, for MP-HD image quality, and a detection distance of up to 12 meters, enhanced by a PIR sensor that minimizes false alarms. With 355 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical pan-tilt zoom capabilities, users can easily control the camera's rotation through the app. Additional features include two-way audio, IP65 waterproof rating for durability in various weather conditions, and support for cloud and local TF card storage, up to 128 GB. The camera is designed for easy installation and offers both color and infrared night vision options, making it suitable for a wide range of outdoor surveillance applications. Number 3. YNFECN PR906 Trail Camera. The YNFECN PR906 is an advanced 8K digital hunting trail camera designed for wildlife observation and outdoor use, equipped with a high-resolution 60MP sensor that captures stunning images. Featuring superior night vision capabilities and motion activation, this camera ensures reliable performance in various light conditions, making it perfect for monitoring wildlife activities. With a strong sales record of over 100,000 units, it highlights its popularity and effectiveness among outdoor enthusiasts and nature watchers. Priced competitively, the YNFECN PR906 offers quality features that appeal to both amateur and serious wildlife photographers. Number 4. LS Vision 4MP Trail Camera. The LS Vision LS HM1 is a state-of-the-art 4G solar-powered hunting camera designed for outdoor enthusiasts, featuring a 3.6mm lens with a 90 degrees viewing angle. It utilizes advanced PIR motion detection for quick 0.2-second trigger speeds, allowing for efficient monitoring of wildlife. The camera supports both picture, 14MP, and video, 4MP, modes, with infrared night vision capabilities up to 20 meters. It is equipped with an integrated solar panel, an 8,000 mAh rechargeable battery, and offers both cloud and TF card storage options, up to 128 GB. The device is waterproof with an IP66 rating, ensuring durability in various weather conditions. Users can control and view the camera remotely via the YNFECN app, which allows for two-way audio communication and real-time alerts for animal or human detection. This camera is ideal for hunters, wildlife watchers, and bird watchers, providing seamless connectivity and convenience without the need for Wi-Fi. Number 5. PR100 Trail Camera. The PR100 Wildlife Camera by New Landing is a high-performance surveillance device designed for a variety of applications, including housing security, warehouse monitoring, and wildlife observation. It features a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and a 3MP color CMOS sensor, providing clear 1080p video resolution at 25 frames per second and 12MP photo resolution. The camera is equipped with 26 infrared LED lights, allowing for effective night vision up to 20 meters, ensuring reliable performance in low-light conditions. Its motion-triggered functionality and a PIR detection angle of 110 degrees enhance its surveillance capabilities. The device is easy to install and can operate on 4AA batteries or a DC power supply, boasting a remarkable standby time of up to 12 months. With an IP56 waterproof rating, it is built to withstand various environmental conditions. The package includes the camera, a data cable, a strap, and a user manual, making it a versatile choice for both indoor and outdoor monitoring needs.